Hello friends, I am Brij Kishore Sharma Tara from Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh, India, and today in my science series I present for you my new item. This is my mechanical wall clock Sony. It is a vintage wall clock. I have to fit metal wire for the sake of safety. So I have put the clock on the table and going to fit the wire. So first of all I will open the glass cover and then the minute and hour hands, then the dial will be removed. Now you can witness the mechanism of this wall clock. Close view, pendulum, and the foreground serrated wheel is intended for alarm, and in the background is fitted the mainspring. You can see various types of serrated wheels of different size. This is a regulator which is fitted with the pendulum. Yes, this is fitted with a pendulum. And this one hammer is used for alarm. I will let you listen its alarm music at the end of the video. Anyway, I have used the alarm music at the beginning of my presentation. A very close view of regulator. I have already told you in my previous presentations that I very much like mechanical wall clocks and hand watches. I prefer them to quartz ones. After this presentation, I will fit a wire, and it will not be videographed. When I will have fitted it, I will resume the videography. Look how attractive these views are. This is mainspring and this spring is meant for alarm. I never feel tired watching these type of machines. These views are from back side. This side is fitted to the clock's wall. Now after the lapse of 10 minutes during which I fitted these metal wires, I have resumed the videography, and you can see the wire as well as the main machine fitted already, and now is fitted the dial. And now hands of the clock. I hope that my presentation must have been interesting to you. Thank you.